Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn some conditional cubic equations. Listen, cubic equation means it has a highest power 3, it has a that is 3 roots. And how to find 3 roots means sometimes out of 3 roots there is some conditions given. So today our aim is conditional cubic equations. Listen the first question. Solve the equation that is a cubic equation which is highest power 3, x cube x square x a constant equal to 0. Okay, solve the cubic equation if sum of its roots vanishes is a condition. So today our topic is how to solve the cubic equations given by some conditions. Okay, there are totally 5 sums are there. First question, solve the cubic equation if sum of its 2 of its roots vanishes. So that is a keyword. Say where if is a condition, if sum of 2 of its roots vanishes is a condition. See, all the 5 questions are cubic equations and today topic is conditional cubic equations. First question. See, first one, if sum of the 2 of its roots vanishes. Now, can you tell me how to frame sum of 2 of its roots vanishes? It is a cubic equation, it has 3 roots and given the condition, sum of its 2 of its roots vanishes. Okay, any one of you? Very good. Because vanishes meant by that is which is equal to 0. That means sum of 2 of its roots vanishes meant by let the roots are alpha comma minus alpha. Listen, here while adding plus alpha minus alpha cancel. The question is sum means addition. Sum of its 2 of its roots vanishes. Vanishes means is equal to 0. Let the first 2 roots be alpha comma plus alpha comma minus alpha. While adding plus alpha minus alpha cancel. So we get a, that is the 2 roots are sum of 2 roots are vanishes. So alpha comma minus alpha. Okay, but it is a cubic equation. It has one more root. Let that one more root be alpha. That's all. So solve the cubic equation if sum of its roots vanishes is a condition. Sum of its roots vanishes means let one alpha, see if one root is alpha, then the other root is minus alpha, because while adding plus alpha minus alpha cancel, that is vanishes. Let the third root be beta. That's idea. So okay, here we know that the cubic equation means sigma 1. Sigma 1 means taken one at a time. Sum of the roots are taken one at a time. That is sigma 1 is equal to alpha minus alpha plus beta, which is equal to minus b by a. That is minus b by a. See, first one minus b by a. Already here minus is there, so minus into minus plus. That means you will get a 1 by 2. Then your answer is while finding sigma 1, here plus alpha minus alpha cancel. So directly you are going to get that is sigma 1 is equal to beta. So beta is equal to minus b by a minus into minus plus, so 1 by 2. So you are going to get a beta is equal to 1 by 2. Your answer is beta equal to 1 by 2. Then it is a cubic equation. It has 3 roots and one root is 1 by 2 by finding sigma 1. By finding sigma 1 is equal to alpha minus alpha plus beta, which is equal to minus alpha plus alpha cancel. You will get a beta is equal to minus b by a, minus into minus plus, so plus 1 by 2. That is beta equal to 1 by 2. After finding here one root is ready. Now after knowing one root, let us use synthetic division. That's all. That means side number 1 by 2, use a synthetic division, you are going to get one quadratic equation. Solve the quadratic equation, we will get 2 more roots. So totally already one root is 1 by 2. Next from quadratic, from synthetic division, we get 2 more roots. So the required 3 roots are ready. That's all. Okay. Now first question only myself. Remaining 4 questions yourself want to say the answer. See, these 5 questions are same model, cubic equations with a conditional class cubic equations. Okay, come to next question. Solve the cubic equation if the roots form an AP. If the roots form an AP, that's all. Here, solve the cubic equation if the roots form an AP. Here, AP means we know that, can you tell me any one of you, any 3 terms in an AP? Any 3 terms in an AP? Very good. That is center alpha. Your answer is correct. Center alpha. Alpha next alpha plus D. And alpha before alpha minus D. That's all. So, here given condition is AP and it is a cubic equation, we need 3 roots and any 3 terms in an AP will be of the form center alpha. Alpha next alpha plus d, alpha before, alpha minus d, that's all. Now listen here, while adding minus d plus d cancel, then you get a alpha plus alpha is equal to 3 alpha. So here we want to find a sum of the roots taken one at a time. While taking sum of the roots taken one at a time, that is sigma 1. While finding sigma 1 plus d minus d cancel, you are going to get a 3 alpha. So 3 alpha is equal to, that is we are finding sum of the roots, so 3 alpha is equal to minus b by a. Okay, minus b by a means already minus, so minus into minus plus minus b by a. So plus 36 by 9 is equal to 1 9 is 9, 4 9s are 36. That is 3 alpha is equal to 36. 3 alpha is equal to 36, then alpha is equal to 36. That is 3 alpha is equal to 36, then alpha is equal to 36 by 3. 1 3 is 3 and 12 3s are. Now that is alpha is equal to 12. Then using alpha is equal to 12, then use a synthetic division. Alpha is equal to 12, then use a synthetic division. We get one quadratic equation, solve the quadratic equation, we are going to get 3 roots. That's all, because it is a cubic equation. Okay, now next question yourself. Listen the question. Solve the cubic equation if its roots form a GP. Listen, second question AP. Third question is GP. Solve the cubic equation if the roots form a GP. Okay. Now can you tell me, that is, it is a cubic equation, it has 3 roots. Now any 3 terms in a GP will be of the form? Anyone? Very good. Your answer is correct, because any 3 terms in a GP will be of the form. Consider center alpha, alpha next alpha into r, and alpha before alpha divided by r. That is, any 3 terms in a GP will be of the form, that is center alpha, alpha next alpha r, alpha before alpha divided by r, that's all. Okay. Listen here, in third question, alpha, any 3 terms in a GP will be of the form alpha by r, alpha into r. Sir, okay. Listen the shortcut. We want to solve the cubic equation. It has 3 roots. Suppose if we know one root, suddenly we can use a synthetic division. First, our aim to find one root. Okay, how to find one root from this GP question? Any one of you? Very good. While finding product, listen, while finding product divided by r into r cancel, which means you want to find sigma 3. That is a product of the roots taken 3 at a time. While finding product sigma 3, that is alpha by r into alpha r. Here divided by r into r cancel, you will get a alpha cube. So sigma 3 is equal to alpha cube. Sigma 3 means, that is sigma 1 is equal to minus b by a. Sigma 2 is equal to plus c by a, sigma 3 is equal to minus d by a. And remember, any absent, that is important. Listen, x cube, x square, x a constant. Here no absent, so it is a direct question. For GP, let us find sigma 3, that means product of all the roots. While finding product r cancel, you will get r, that is alpha cube. So alpha cube is equal to first one, sigma 1 is equal to minus b by a, sigma 2 is equal to c by a, sigma 3 is equal to minus d by a. That means here minus d by a. First minus plus minus. Okay, here minus into minus plus. That is 24 by 3. 1 3 is 3, 8 3s are 24. That means alpha cube is equal to 8. Alpha cube equal to 8. Then alpha cube equal to 8 can be rewritten as 2 the whole cube, where that is the powers are equal, therefore the bases are equal. That is alpha equal to 3. That's all. Okay, what is the next step? Very good. It is a cubic equation. It has 3 roots. One root is alpha equal to 3. Then one can use a synthetic division. Side number 3, use a synthetic division. We will get a quadratic equation. Solve the quadratic equation. We will get a remaining 3 roots. That's all. Here all the 5 sums are same model. Come to fourth question. Determine k and solve the cubic equation. One of its roots is twice the sum of the other two. Listen the condition. One of its roots is twice the sum of the other 2 roots. Here one of the roots is twice the sum of the other 2 roots. Okay, anyone? How to make the technique? That is any one of you? No, listen, see myself. Here one of its roots is means equal to twice the sum of the other 2 roots. Twice the sum of the other 2 roots. Listen, see for example, let alpha comma beta be the first two roots. It is a cubic equation, it has three roots, that is clear. Let alpha comma beta be the two roots. Then the condition is one of its roots is twice the sum of the other two roots. Listen, that is twice the sum of the other two roots. Let alpha and beta be the other two roots. That is twice the sum of the other two roots. That means twice of alpha plus beta. Listen again the condition. One of the roots is twice the one of the roots is twice the sum of the other two roots. One of the root is twice the sum of the other two roots. Here other two roots alpha comma beta, then twice of sum of the roots, so 2 into alpha plus beta. So the required roots are alpha comma beta comma twice of alpha plus beta, that's all. One of its roots is twice the sum of the other two roots, that's all. So let the roots be alpha comma beta comma twice of alpha plus beta. So it is a technique. And this question is really twisted question because we want to first find a determinant, that is determine k. First we want to find k and solve the equation. That is two questions. There are two questions are there. It is not direct question. There are first three questions are solve the cubic equation. But here solve the cubic equation, also find the value of k. So that is why it is a two-state question. So okay, remember how to solve this equation means by seeing by individual inspection we have alpha comma beta comma twice of alpha plus beta. Suppose this 2 going to multiply inside. What do we have? Very good. 2 alpha plus 2 beta. Okay, let us find a sigma 1 for this. Sigma 1. Sigma 1 means sum of 3 roots taken one at a time. What will be your answer? Your answer is, answer please. Good, very good. 3 alpha plus 3 beta, because here alpha plus 2 alpha, 3 alpha, here 1 beta, here 2 beta, 3 beta. So totally 3 alpha plus 3 beta, where 3 is common. While finding sigma 1, you get a 3 alpha plus 3 beta, where 3 is common. 3 common means 3 of alpha plus beta. That is sigma 1 is equal to 3 of alpha plus beta. So okay, here sigma 1 is equal to 3 of alpha plus beta is nothing but sigma 1 means taken one at a time. That is minus b by a. Minus b by a. It is a minus b by a. Here minus into minus plus. Then what is your answer? Very good. 6 by 2. That is 1 2 is to 3 2s are 6. Your answer is 6 by 2 is equal to 3. What is 3? What is 3 means 3 times of alpha plus beta is equal to 3. Now using pencil, 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3, cancel. Then after, very good. Alpha plus beta is equal to 1. That's all. Alpha plus beta is equal to 1. One answer is ready. Alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Suppose for our convenience, one can make beta equal to 1 minus alpha also correct. Here alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Listen, put alpha plus beta is equal to 1 in this bracket. What can you say about the 3 roots? Alpha plus beta is equal to 1 from sigma 1 answer. That means 2 into 1. That means 2. So 2 is one root ready. One root is ready. So let the roots are alpha comma beta comma 2. If you know one root, then suddenly use a synthetic division. We get a quadratic equation. Solve the quadratic equation. We will get 2 more roots. So totally 3 roots ready. Cubic equation okay. Okay. Now come to fourth question. Listen, fourth question, it is really first exercise question. The first 4 questions are continuous questions from 3.3. See, first question, second question, third question, fourth question. That is continuous questions from exercise 3.4. But fourth question is from 3.1, first exercise. And this first exercise question is related to this 3.3 exercise. So that is why these 5 questions are same model. That is why I taken here. Now listen again. Solve the cubic equation. Solve the cubic equation if the product, solve the cubic equation if the product of 2 of its roots is 1. Solve the cubic equation if product of 2 of its roots is 1. Okay, any one of you, yourself. As same idea, listen, if the product of the 2 of its roots is 1. Product of 2, see, product of 2 of its roots is 1. Okay, any one of you. Very good. Alpha comma 1 by alpha. Yes, your argument is correct. Your answer is correct. Listen, alpha comma 1 by alpha. Listen, well, find product alpha into 1 by alpha. Alpha, alpha cancel. So the product is 1. So let the other root is suppose beta. That's all. So product of the 2 of its roots is 1. Then the required roots are alpha comma 1 by alpha comma 1. alpha comma 1 by alpha comma beta, that's all. So okay, here let us find here sigma 3 while finding sigma 3. Sigma 3 means what? Sigma 3 means, very good, product, that is taken 3 at a time, product of the roots. Sigma 3 is equal to alpha into 1 by alpha into beta, which is equal to sigma 3 is equal to sigma 1 is equal to 16 by 3, sigma 2 is equal to very good, 23 by 3, and sigma 3 is equal to, see here minus, because minus plus minus, minus into minus plus, correct, very good. Then that is sigma 3 is equal to minus into minus plus, that is 6 by 3. 6 by 3 is equal to product of the roots taken all at a time, that is your answer is 6 by 3, 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, therefore beta is equal to 2. Beta is equal to 2. After knowing one answer, then use synthetic division, you are going to get answer. So all the 5 questions conditional cubic equations. Cubic equation means it has 3 roots and the condition is given. Using condition, we are going to get one answer, and suddenly use synthetic division. All the 4 questions are we want to use synthetic division, that's all. Use the condition, identify one root, then use a synthetic division, then you are going to get the base gives a quadratic equation. Solve quadratic, we get totally 3 roots, that's all. Okay, come to last question. Listen, last question is that we want to find a condition. See, find the condition that the roots of the cubic equation are in GP. Listen, first 4 questions are solve the equation. First 4 questions solve the equations. But the last question is find the condition that the roots of the cubic equation are in GP. Listen, this model already we completed. That is, find the condition that the roots of the cubic equation are in AP. Find the condition that the roots of the cubic equation are in HP. That is AP and HP already completed in last class. Now that is we left GP only. So find the condition that the roots of an cubic equation are in GP. So for this last question also we have 3 model. That is, find the condition for cubic equation the roots are in AP. Find the condition that for the cubic equation the roots are in HP, where AP and HP already completed. Now today topic is GP, that's all. So the last question is differs. First 4 questions solve the equation, but the last question is find the condition if the roots are in GP, find the condition if the roots are in AP, find the condition if the roots are in HP, where AP and HP already completed in last class. Today we want to find the condition for cubic equation if the roots are in GP, that's the idea. Solve the equation 9x cube minus 36x square plus 44x minus 16 is equal to 0. If the roots form an AP, so it is a condition, where if is a condition. If the roots form an equation, that is a form an AP. Here cubic equation given, and today our topic is conditional cubic equations, how to solve the conditional cubic equations. Here the condition is if the roots form an AP, that's all. Okay. And it is a cubic equation, it has 3 roots, and the roots form an AP. Now can you tell me any 3 terms in an AP will be of the form? Any 3 terms in an AP will be of the form? Very good. That is center A, it is AP is a keyword. So center A after A plus D and A before A minus D. So solution. First take your question. The question is, given question is 9x cube minus 36x square plus 44x minus 16 is equal to 0. First remember any option that I want to verify. X cube, x square, x constant equal to 0. Here no option. It is a direct question. Okay. Now the given condition is AP. Any 3 terms in an AP will be of the form. That means alpha minus D, comma alpha plus D. So let the roots are alpha minus D, comma alpha plus D. That's all. So okay, it is a keyword AP. Any 3 terms in an AP will be of the form A minus D, that is alpha minus D, comma alpha plus D. Okay. Now, here while finding sum, minus d plus d cancel. So, your answer is 3 alpha. So, here let us find a sum of all the roots, that is sigma 1. Now, sigma 1 is equal to, okay, now yourself, sigma 1 is equal to, very good, sum of the roots taken one at a time. What will be your answer? Very good, 3 alpha, because plus d minus d cancel. Now, listen, sigma 1 is equal to alpha minus d plus alpha plus d plus alpha plus d, which is equal to minus b by a. What is your answer? Very good, 36 by 3, correct. Because minus into minus plus and 36 by 9, not 3, 36 by 9. So, which is equal to minus into minus plus 36 by 9. Now, 1 4, that is 1 9 is 9, 4 9s are 36, so which is equal to 4. What is left hand side? Left hand side, anyone of you how to simplify left side? Good, minus d plus d cancel, then 3 alpha, correct. So, 3 alpha is equal to 4. Then make alpha equal to something, therefore alpha is equal to 4 by 3, that's all. So, it is a cubic equation, it has 3 roots and the given roots are in AP. Therefore, any 3 terms will be of the form a minus d, a plus d, and instead of a one can take alpha also, correct. That is alpha minus d, alpha plus d. That's all. And while finding a sum of 3 roots taken one at a time, where minus d plus d cancel and 3 alpha is equal to minus b by a, that is minus into minus plus, so 36 by 9 is equal to 4. Yes, correct. Now, one root is ready. Remaining 3 roots we want to find. Now, let us use a synthetic division. That's all. Suddenly move to synthetic division. Listen, the synthetic division is given by synthetic division. Here, side number 4 by 3. Okay, what is the first row? First row elements are good, very good. 9 minus 36, 44 minus 16, correct. And before filling that first row elements, you want to verify any absent. That is important. X cube, x square, x a constant. Here no absent. Write the coefficients of x cube. Listen, x cube coefficient 9 and x square coefficient minus 36. Okay. Next, x coefficient plus 44. And a constant minus 16. Okay. Synthetic division from plus 1 syllabus, yourself. Very good. 0. Next, good. Addition in vertically. So, 9 plus 0, 9. Next. Very good. Cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means 4 by 3 into 9. What is your answer? 4 by 3 into 9. Good. 12. Because do the rough work. If you don't know means do the rough work. The rough work is given by 4 by 3 into 9. Cross multiply, that is 4 by 3 into 9. 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9, so which is equal to 12. Write 12 here. Now your answer is very good, minus 24, correct, because we want to add minus plus different sign, so your answer is 24. And the big number before sign minus. Okay. Now next step, good, multiplication. Multiplication means cross multiply. Cross multiply, do the rough work. 4 by 3 into minus 24. Which is equal to, very good. That is 1 3 is 3, 8 3s are 24 and plus into minus 32. Yes, your answer is correct. Minus 32. Write minus 32 here. Now, subtract. Because positive negative, subtract. What is answer? Answer please. Go 2, then 1. Big number before plus. Now, again cross multiply. See, by cross multiplying, we get 4 by 3 into 12. What is your answer? Good, very good, 16. Because 1 3 is 3, 4 3s are 12, so which is equal to 16, here 16. Now, plus 16 minus 16 cancel. So, remainder equal to 0. That's all. And take the base, gives a quadratic equation. Now, the quadratic equation, anyone of you, what is the quadratic equation? Good, 9x square minus 24x plus 12 equal to 0. Very good. That is, listen, the quadratic equation is from the base, that is x square term, x term, constant term. So, 9x square minus 24x plus 12 is equal to 0. Okay. Next, any further simplification? Very good. Third table. Yes, very good. Third table is coming. So, for our convenience, using third table. Why? Because we are using third table. Good. That is 3 3s are 9, 8 3s are 24, 4 3s are 12. So, first let us divided by 3 on both sides. Okay, what is your answer? Good, 3x square and 1 3 is 3, 8 3s are. So, 3 3s are 9, okay. So, minus 8x plus 4 3s are 12, which is equal to 0. Now, any idea to solve this quadratic equation? Very good, factorization method. Suppose factorization method failure means you want to move to quadratic formula method. Here verify. X square coefficient into constant, plus into plus, that is 12, plus 12. Okay, next step. What is the center element? Good, minus 8, because minus 8 is the x coefficient. Now, what are the, that is, identify the possible factors, two possible factors of 12 such that the product is 12 and sum or difference is minus 8. Okay, anyone? Okay, 4 3s are 12. Yes, okay, 4 3s are 12. Then 4 3s are 12, okay. But while adding 7, we have no 7 in center. While subtracting 1, so we have no 1. So 4 3s are 12 is a failure. Your answer is incorrect. Okay. And identify some other roots for 12. Some other roots for 12. Very good. 6 2s are 12. Okay. Very, very good. 6 2s are 12. Verify. If failure, we can move next factors. Okay. 6 2s are 12. Okay. How to adjust? Adjustment. Very good. Both negative. Very, very good. Both negative. Verification. Verification, please. Okay. Minus into minus plus 6 2s are 12. Then good. While adding minus 8. Minus 6 and minus 2 is equal to minus 8. Remember, where x square coefficient 3. Therefore, by 3 by 3. Then 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. So, minus 2, minus 2 by 3. Minus 2, minus 2 by 3. Okay. That is, here minus 2, therefore, x minus 2 is a factor. Minus 2 by 3, then x minus 2 by 3 is a factor. Okay, what is the solution, please? Solution. Very good. 2, 2 by 3. Yes, your answer is correct because minus 2 goes to right plus 2 and minus 2 by 3 goes to right, it becomes plus 2 by 3. Therefore, x is equal to 2, 2 by 3. X is equal to 2, 2 by 3. Already we find out one root is alpha is equal to 4 by 3. It is a cubic equation, we need 3 roots. One root is 4 by 3 and the remaining 2 roots are alpha, 2 by 3. Therefore, the required roots are. The required roots are 4 by 3, 2, 2 by 3. So, hence the answer. Before question, solve the cubic equation with the condition the roots are in AP. Now, next question, solve the cubic equation if the roots are in GP. The roots form in GP, that's idea. Here, solve the cubic equation if its roots form a GP. Okay. Cubic equation means 3 roots and the roots will be of the form GP. Can you tell me any 3 terms in GP? Any 3 terms in GP, any one of you? Very good, very, very good. Alpha by R, alpha, alpha R. Yes, correct. And first you take your given cubic equation. Solution is 3x cube minus 26x square plus 52x minus 24 is equal to 0. Okay. Let here the roots in GP. So, any 3 terms in an GP will be of the form a by r, a, ar, and instead of a one can consider alpha also correct. Suppose take alpha. Let the roots are alpha by r, alpha into r. That's all. Here before question the roots are in AP. Here now the next question is the roots are in GP. That's all. Sir, okay. Here using condition we want to find one root and using one root use synthetic division we are going to get answer. Sir, okay. Now here before question AP and while finding sum while finding sigma 1 minus d plus d cancel you get 3 alpha, then alpha equal to something, use synthetic division we get answer. Here any idea? Very good. Sigma 3 only possible. Because sigma 3, while sigma 3 means product of the roots, that is product of the roots means alpha by r into alpha r, while finding product divided by r into r cancel, alpha cancel, that is alpha cube. But product of the roots means which one you want to find? Good, sigma 3, because that is first one, sum of the roots are taken one at a time, minus b by a. Next, good. Sum of the product of the roots are taken 2 at a time, that is plus c by a. Next, good. Product of the roots is equal to minus d by a, that is here minus. Listen, minus plus minus. Here because it is GP, seeing this roots divided by r, say by r into r cancel, you will get alpha cube. So it is easy to calculate sigma 3 directly. Sigma 1, sigma 2 no need. Let us find a sigma 3 directly. Now sigma 3 is equal to, listen carefully, sigma 3 is equal to product of the roots. Product of the roots is equal to alpha by r into alpha r, which is equal to, what is your answer? No, 26 by 3 is incorrect, because we are finding sigma 3. Next, anyone? Good. That is 24 by 3, your answer is correct, because minus into minus plus 24 by 3. Here we are finding sigma 3. Sigma 3 is equal to minus into minus plus 24 by 3. So plus 24 by 3. Okay, next, any other simplification? Very good. Left hand side divided by r into r cancel. Alpha into alpha. Good. Alpha cube. Alpha cube is equal to, here 24 by 3. 1 3 is 3, 8 3s are 24. Good. Equal to 8. Okay. How to simplify? Very good. 8 equal to 2 cube. Yes, your answer 2 cube is correct. So alpha cube is equal to 8 can be rewritten as 2 the whole cube. Now, good. See, power 3. Powers are equal, therefore bases are equal. Alpha power 3 is equal to 2 power 3, where the powers are equal, therefore the bases are equal. Therefore alpha equal to 3. Alpha is equal to 2. 2. Powers are equal, therefore bases are equal, therefore alpha is equal to 2. Yes, your answer is correct. Again, remember, it is a cubic equation has 3 roots. And using sigma 3 product of the roots taken all the 3, we get alpha equal to 2. If you know one root, then remaining 2 roots are very simple by using synthetic division. Now listen. Okay. Now I want to use synthetic division. Okay, what is side number please? Side number? Very good, 2. Because one of the root is 2. Next, what is first row? Good, 3 minus 26. Next, 52 minus 24. Yes. Before filling the first row, identify any absent or not. Listen, x cube, x square, x a constant. No absent, no problem. It is a direct question. Write the x cube coefficient please. Very good. 3, x square coefficient minus 26, x coefficient 52, constant minus 24. Okay. Now, first one 0. 3 plus 0, 3. Good. 3. Next. Good. 6 correct. Yes, your answer is 6 correct, because 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Okay. Now, very good. Minus 20, because here negative, positive, different sign, so we want to add. Next. Minus 20 is correct. Next. Good. Very good. Minus 40, because 2 into minus 20 is equal to minus 40. Next. Good. Plus 12 correct. Plus 12 is correct. Next. 2 into 12. 2 12s are good. 24. Remainder equal to 0. Now consider the base. The base is x square, x a constant. Okay, any one of you? Very good. 3x square minus 20x plus 12. Very good. 3x square minus 20x plus 12, which is equal to 0. Okay, further any simplification? No, because 3 is prime number. Very good boy. Very good. Here 3 is prime number. And 2, that is 20 and 12 may be divided by 2. That is even number. But 3 is prime number. There is no common factor for this. Okay. Next, factorization. Very good. Factorization method. Let us use factorization method. Plus into plus plus. 3 12s are 36. Factorization. X coefficient. Very good. Minus 20. Now identify the factors for 36. Identify the factors. Good. No. 136 is 136 not possible, because 1 into 136 is 36. Okay, but while adding 37, we have no 37 in center. While subtracting 35, we have no 35 in center. So 136 is 36 is failure. Okay, move next. Very good. 9 4s are 36. Very good. Your idea is correct. 9 4s are 36. Okay. Verification. Okay. 9 4s are 36. Okay. While add or subtract, we need center. Okay. Verify. While adding 13, we have no 13. Very good. Next. While subtracting, good. 5. We have no 5. So 9 4s are 36 failure. Next. Some other factors for 36. Any other factor? Very good. 2 into 18 or 18 2s are. So 18 2s are 36. 18 2s are 36. Okay, verification please. Verification, very good. Plus into plus plus. 18 2s are 36. Next. But I need minus 20 center. Any adjustment? Very good. Minus minus. Minus minus. Again, verification please. Minus into minus plus. 18 2s are 36. And while adding a minus 18 minus 2. What is answer? Good. Minus 20. Okay. So 136 36 is failure. 9 4s are 36 failure. And 18 2s are 36 only exist. Okay. Now x square coefficient 3. Therefore by 3 by 3. Now simplification please. Very good. Minus 6. 1 3 is 3. 6 3s are 18. And here no simplification. So middle comma minus 6 comma minus 2 by 3. Okay. Next, can you tell me the factors? Very good. X minus 6. Next, x minus 2 by 3. Yes, correct. So x minus 6 into x minus 2 by 3, which is equal to 0. Okay. What are the roots please? Very good. 6 comma 2 by 3, because negatives goes to right side. Very good. That is 6 comma 2 by 3. Box it. So already one root is 2, alpha equal to 2, and there are 2 more roots. So cubic equation totally 3 roots. The required roots are the required roots. The required roots are 2 comma 6 comma 2 by 3. So hence the answer. First question, solve the equation, solve the cubic equation whose roots are in AB. Second question, solve the cubic equation whose roots are in GB. Now listen, third one. Third one is determine K. Determine K and solve the equation. So and before one question and after one question. Before 2 questions are just solve the equation. But there are 2 questions. First question, determine K. Then solve the equation, because where K is unknown. First identify whether the equation is in the standard form or not. Anyone? Very good. Yes, it is in the standard form, because x cube, x square, x a constant. Yes, all the terms are present. The question is in the standard form. No absent. Very good. Okay. Cubic equation, it has 3 roots, and it is today topic is conditional cubic equations. How to solve conditional cubic equations? Okay. Any one of you read question? Good. Listen. One of its roots is means is equal to. Very good. One of its roots is twice the, listen, twice the sum of the other 2 roots. One of the roots is means equal to twice the means 2 of, twice the sum of the roots, sum of the other 2 roots. That's all. One of the roots is twice the sum of the other 2 roots. Okay. Just before I explain introduction and given all the 4 sums idea. Now any one of you? Very good. What is the third root? Third root please. Very good. Twice of alpha plus beta. Listen. Rough work we want to prepare. So twice of alpha plus beta. Listen. This fully one of the root. One of the root is twice of sum of the other 2 roots. Okay. Can you tell me what is the other 2 roots? Good. Alpha comma beta. Now listen the technique. The technique is one of the root is twice the sum of the other 2 roots. So let the other 2 roots be alpha comma beta. Then one of the root is twice the sum of the other 2 roots. Therefore let the roots are. Can you tell me let the roots are? Very good. Alpha comma beta comma twice of alpha plus beta. Very, very good. Now take your given cubic equation first of all. That is 2x cube minus 6x square plus 3x plus k is equal to 0. Okay. Let the roots are. Okay. Let the roots are. Anyone? Very good. Alpha comma beta comma twice of alpha plus beta. Very good. So let the roots are alpha comma beta comma twice of alpha plus beta. Let the roots are alpha comma beta comma twice of alpha plus beta. Okay. Now first question AP, and in AP it is enough to find sigma 1 because minus d plus d cancel. And the next question GP, while if the keyword is GP, then find the product of the roots, that is sigma 3. While finding sigma 3, here divided by r into r cancel, you get alpha cube, then alpha answer is ready, then use synthetic division. Okay, here any one of you? Very good. sigma 1 is correct. Because why correct? Yes, 3 alpha plus 3 beta. Yes, correct. While finding sigma 1, that is sum of the roots taken one at a time, 2 going to multiply inside. You get a 2 alpha plus 2 beta. While finding sum, please. Very good. 3 alpha plus 3 beta. That is alpha plus beta plus 2 alpha plus 2 beta is equal to 3 alpha plus 3 beta, where 3 is common. Then it is enough to find a sigma 1. Now listen. Sigma 1 is equal to, anyone, sigma 1 equal to, very good, alpha plus beta plus twice of alpha plus beta. Okay, which is equal to, good, minus b by a. Here no absent, minus b by a. Here minus into minus plus, then very good, 6 by 2, that is 6 by 2. Next step, 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. So which is equal to 3. Next, by any idea? Good, 3 alpha plus 3 beta, your answer is correct. Why? Reason? Very good, alpha plus 2 alpha. Here 2 going to multiply mind itself, 2 alpha plus 2 beta, already 1 alpha, here 2 alpha, so totally 3 alpha. And here 1 beta, good, 2 beta. So 1 beta plus 2 beta, 3 beta, where 3 is common. 3 alpha plus 3 beta, where 3 is common, so 3 of alpha plus beta. 3 of alpha plus beta equal to 3, very good. Okay, now 3 goes to right side, otherwise 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3. So alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Okay, alpha plus beta equal to 1 is ready. Now, again, any idea? Listen, it is a cubic equation. We need 3 roots, and the condition is here alpha plus beta is equal to 1 only available. Now, for our convenience, make beta is equal to 1 minus alpha. Make beta is equal to 1 minus alpha. Also, listen, already available is alpha comma beta comma twice of alpha plus beta. Can you tell me what is the last one? Very good, 2. Because reason? Tends to 1, the bracket tends to 1. Listen, alpha plus beta tends to 1. See, alpha plus beta is equal to 1. That means 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Now, also, remember already alpha comma beta. What is beta? Very good, 1 minus alpha. So make beta equal to something 1 minus alpha. Therefore, the 3 roots are alpha comma beta, where beta equal to 1 minus alpha, comma, what is last one? Very good, 2. Because 2 into 1, alpha plus beta equal to 1. So that is why. So these 2 answers are very important. Substitute alpha plus beta equal to 1 in the bracket, 2 into 1 equal to 2, and put beta is equal to 1 minus alpha in center. Now we can frame 3 new roots. Therefore, the roots are first one is alpha, comma, second one, please, very good, 1 minus alpha. Last one, good, 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Remember, initially we taken alpha comma beta comma twice of alpha plus beta. Now we get alpha comma 1 minus alpha comma 2. Okay, anyone of you? Next step. Next, very, very good. Here 2 is a root, then we can use synthetic division. Very good. Synthetic division, that's all. Okay, what is side number, please? Very good, 2. First row, any one of you? Very good. 2 minus 6, 3k. But here k is unknown. Suppose if you substitute here last term k means it is difficult to solve. So that is why first we want to find k, because here there are 2 questions. Determine k, then solve the equation. First let us find k. Okay, before using synthetic division, first let us find k. To find k, listen, how to find k means here 2 is a root, which means this 2 satisfies the equation. So that 2 satisfies the equation means 2 into 2 the whole cube minus 6 into 2 the whole square plus 3 into 2 plus k. So that is a technique, and this equation we want to convert to polynomial. Can you tell me what is p of x equal to? Suppose let p of x equal to, good, same equation, that is 2x cube. Let p of x equal to 2x cube minus 6x square plus 3x plus k. Okay, now next step, please. Good, put x equal to 2, that is x is replaced by 2, we get, that is p of 2 is equal to, that is here 2 is a root. What is p of 2? Very good, equal to 0, because remainder is 0. P of 2 is equal to 0. Very, very good. Okay, now x is replaced by 2. What is your answer? Good, 2 into 2 the whole cube minus, next, Good. 6 into 2 the whole square plus, good, 3 into 2 plus k, which is equal to 0. Why? Because 0. Good. This right hand side is 0. Here 2 is a root. Therefore, 2 satisfies the equation. That means P of 2 is equal to 0. So, therefore, which is equal to 0? Now, simplification. Simplification. Very good. 16 correct. Because reason? Good. 2 8s are 16. Here 2 cube equal to 8. So, 2 8s are 16 minus. Good. Minus 24 correct. Reason? Okay. 6%. Here 2 square 4. 6% 24. So, minus 24. Next. Good. Plus 6. Plus k, which is equal to 0. Okay, simplification. Simplification is very simple. Very good. Minus 2 is answer because 16 plus 2, 16 plus 6 equal to 22. 22 minus 24 equal to minus 2. So, minus 2 plus k equal to 0. Can you tell me what is k? Good. K equal to 2. Listen again. It is a conditional question. First, if one of the root is twice the sum of the other two roots. So, let the roots are alpha. One of the root is twice the sum of the other two roots, which means alpha comma beta are the other two roots, and the last root is one root is twice of sum of the other two roots. So, alpha comma beta comma twice of alpha plus beta. That's all. If you prepare this roughly, you can you will be success. Okay. Now, k value is ready. Now, substitute k value in the given equation. That is in the given cubic equation. Therefore, the given cubic equation becomes 2x cube minus 6x square plus 3x k, where k is equal to plus 2, which is equal to 0. Okay. Again, cubic say k value ready and solve the equation. Okay. If one root is 2, then very good. Use synthetic division. Before like 2 questions. Here one root is 2, then you suddenly use synthetic division. Side number 2. What is first row? Any absent? Very good. No absent. Identify first. X cube, x square, x constant. No absent. Substitute. Here x cube coefficient 2, x square coefficient minus 6, x coefficient 3, constant term 2. Okay. 0. What is your answer, please? Okay. 2. Next. Multiplication. 2 2s are 4. Next. Good. Minus 2 correct. Minus 2. Next. Cross multiply. What is your answer, please? Very good. Minus 4. Then addition. Minus 1. Next, good, minus 2 correct. 2 into minus 2, minus 2. Remainder equal to 0. Now consider the base. Base gives, good, quadratic equation. That is, listen, x square x a constant. 2x square minus 2x minus 1, which is equal to 0. Okay, now x square coefficient into the constant. Any one of you? Good, minus 2. Do the rough work. Minus 2. Factorization. What is center? Center place? Good. Minus 2. Now factors. Factors. That is a table for 2. Factors of 2. Okay. 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2. Okay. But while add or subtract, I need center. Verification. Okay. We can't. Very, very good. See, this factorization method is not possible because 1 2 is 2. Okay. While adding 3, we have no 3 in center. Okay. While subtracting, 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Okay. 1 is not in center. And any other table, any other factors for 2? 1 2 is 2, that's all. Or 2 1s are 2. So, no other factors. So, 1 2 is 2 is impossible. Therefore, factorization method is failure. Very good. Factorization method failure. Next model, next method to solve the quadratic equation. Good. Quadratic formula. Let us use quadratic formula. Idea? Good. Comparing with it. See, comparing with the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to, good, 2. B is equal to minus 2. C equal to, very good, constant minus 1. That is box it. Listen. Say a equal to 2, b equal to minus 2, c equal to minus 1. Yes, your answer is correct. Now, can you tell me what is the quadratic formula? Quadratic formula? Good. Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay. Let us write first quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac long divided by 2a. Okay. Now, simplification. What is your answer? Good. Plus 2. Because minus into minus plus. Listen, b value minus 2, formula minus b, so minus into minus plus, plus 2, plus or minus square root of b square. Very good, 4, because minus 2 the whole square, minus 2 the whole square equal to 4, minus of 4 into a. Good, a equal to 2, into c, c equal to, very good, minus 1, so into minus 1, fully divided by 2 into 2a, 2 into, okay, a equal to 2. Now simplification, x is equal to, yourself, 2, okay, 2 plus or minus square root of, very good, 4 plus 8, because what reason? Minus into minus plus, okay, correct. Now listen, 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8 divided by 2 2s are 4. Okay, next step. Now want to simplify. Okay, simplification yourself. Very good, inside it 12. Then, okay, that is where 12 is equal to 4 3s are 12. And where next step? Good, 4 comes outside, means 2, that is I think 2 root 3. Okay, simplify, listen. X is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 12. 12 is equal to 12 can be rewritten as 4 3s are 12 divided by 4. 8 plus 4 12. 12 is equal to 4 3s are 12. Now any idea? Good. 2 plus or minus? Correct. 2 root 3 by 4, because square root of 4 is equal to 2. This 4 comes outside 2. We get x equal to 2 plus or minus 2 root 3 by 4. Okay, next step. Good. 2 is common from numerator. Very good. So x equal to 2 of 1 plus or minus root 3 by 4. Now next step. Any one of you? Okay, cancel. Very good. See, 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. That is x equal to 1 plus or minus root 3 by 2. Therefore, x equal to 1 plus or minus root 3 by 2. Okay, which means forget how many roots are there? How many roots in this? Very good, 2 roots. How to identify 2 roots? Good, forgetting minus. Listen, forget minus. One root is 1 plus root 3 by 2. Okay, next root? Good, forget plus. We get 1 minus root 3 by 2. It is in this we have 2 roots. Already we have 1 root, that is 2 is 1 root. Therefore, the required roots are therefore the required roots are 2 comma 1 plus root 3 by 2 comma 1 minus root 3 by 2. 1 plus root 3 by 2, 1 minus root 3 by 2. Okay, the required roots are. Also, can you tell me what is k value, because it is 2 questions. K value. What is k? Very good, k is equal to 2. So, there are 3 roots plus k value is equal to 2.